All right, we are GPS and track, and we just had a stolen trailer that was recovered with our GPS tracker. This guy right here, this guy recovers just tens of millions of dollars in stolen equipment. He should be wearing a little cape, but not all heroes wear capes. And you can see where it was taken from. Police were notified, and this is kind of cool. We can see exactly where the police pulled him over. Police were able to pull him over right here. We can kind of even go to a street view and see the exact location. And then we're able to see the location where they're able to pull him off nice and safe, recover the stolen equipment, and then obviously investigation is happening. But this customer is smart enough. They've got a ton of equipment, ton of trailers. They've had theft before. They're using GPS trackers, and they were immediately notified that it was on the move when it wasn't supposed to, because we program it that way. Got to learn about GPS tracking. Even if you don't go with us, this guy will save you your equipment. If you have any questions, hit us up.